Somebody asked Srila Prabhupada, your books are there, so we can distribute the books. What is the need for us to preach? We'll go to public, I'll give you books. No need for us to speak. So Prabhupada gave a very, very intelligent answer. The answer is this. Just like in schools and colleges, the teacher doesn't write textbooks. Textbooks are written by some great experts. Generally, teacher doesn't write textbooks. But without the help of teacher, it is difficult to understand the textbooks. All schools and colleges are proof of that. If teachers have no role, the schools and colleges can be closed. Everybody can just at home read the books and give exams. Why waste so much time? We see crores of people going to education place and coming back every day. Isn't it a waste of time? No. The teacher do have a role to play. And Prabhupada explains that. The teacher knows the intent of the book. It's very easy to understand. Another big problem is when we see a rope, we take it for a snake. Where is the snake? In our mind. Outside is only rope. The same way, when you're reading a book, actually we do not read. We already have something in our mind. We only see that. Very difficult to do proper Shravanam. Just like it is very difficult to do proper japa. Very difficult to do proper japa. Not only the mosquitoes make us run from here. So not only the mosquitoes disturbing us, our mind is also disturbing. It's not allowing us to hear. The same way, we are not able to read properly. We try to read, but actually we are not hearing. Even reading time, we are hearing our mind. We are reading something else, but we think something else is written. We force our ideas into the book. Book is saying something else, but we read something else. The same way, when you are chanting Hare Krishna, we are not hearing the holy name. We are supposed to be praying, my Lord, give me service, give me service. But actually we are planning enjoyment. Instead of serving Krishna, we want to enjoy. Therefore, we can't hear the holy name. The same way, to understand book also, we should hear somebody whose hearing is better than us. Just like we are not doing Shuddha Nam today. Still it is encouraging to hear Nama from devotee whose hearing is better than us. Same way, reading a book, we hear from somebody who has more faith, who has more surrender, and who hears the book word by word without putting his idea into the book.